Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and here with the investment channel, guys. Uh, Pretty amazing day today on the market. Okay, so we foresight. When I say we, because I mean I hold a lot of foresight. All-time highs today. Okay, but this video is not it because I've been getting a lot of subscribers lately. Okay, we're almost at 4,000 subscribers. I just wanted to do something I have never done before. And guys, please understand that I am not trying to brag. Um, this is definitely not like it's not even a lot. Okay, I've seen people out here on YouTube with crazy hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you how much money I have invested in the market. It's not just in the market because I have money like in the crypto. I have like in like Hearth2IO, so different things like that. And I kind of want to show you like how much I have around the market and like invested. Things are not like kind of liquid, but it could be liquid at one point. Um, Excuse me. So yeah, just so you know, little background. Started investing with kind of no money back in like 2015, 2015, 2016. It's with time like you start learning a little bit more and more and more. And with everything that I'm going to be showing you right now, just so you know, it's like minimal trades. I didn't really trade a lot, okay, because I really don't trade a lot. I'm just paraphrasing right now, but Warren Buffett said it only takes about 4 to 5 like really good investments to like make you rich. Okay, so my point is you can become rich, I guess, or be successful in the markets. It doesn't have to necessarily be in the market, if stock market, just by buying and holding. And this is kind of one of the things that I kind of preach around my channel. Not too many. I don't really do trades like that. Everybody probably already knows that I kind of hate taxes. Just trying to pay the least amount of taxes possible. Obviously, like let's say foresight switches tomorrow to like $200. I'm not gonna be here and be like, oh no, I'm gonna hoard it. No, I'm definitely gonna pretty much sell and then pay whatever taxes I gotta because well, my price target it'll be well above my price target. But just so you know, yeah, no bragging here. I came to America. If you're new here, I've said it before, but I don't really say that all the time. Came to America at 17. Came here to go to college. I guess I went to college. I only went to community college for like 2 years. Felt like I didn't really want to waste my time and money going into a 4 year degree just because. Well, I wanted to because I wanted to become a pilot, but it was like $100,000, and I didn't want to take any loans. So instead, save up a little bit of money and stuff. Bought a house, which that house that I have now has over 200K in equity, which is pretty cool. So this is not even including and what I'm showing you in the market. And that a house is like very it's not really liquid. So I'm not even gonna mention that. But I'm gonna start with like the smallest amount and like in what I'm investing into, and we're gonna go to biggest amount. Um, yeah, it's gonna be interesting because I haven't add up how much money I have, to be honest. The only reason I'm doing this is because one, we're almost at 4,000 subscribers, and two, of course, I hit all-time highs today. Yeah, I'm not gonna come here and say, oh, it's not because of all foresight. Well, it's definitely because of foresight. Like I said, it was a company that I researched it, and I did have other positions, which it was in the profits that I was gonna hold longer, but then found this so much potential, and I took the risk. Okay, when I took the risk again, not a lot of people were talking about it, and it's still kind of like risk because well they still don't have any sort of revenue, but I'm not worried about it. We can talk about it later on. But let's go and let me get my phone real quick. Let's see. So you could see right now. Right now it's what seven. What? I took the screenshot just to like. Okay, right now it's 7:37. I took the screenshots just like 10 minutes ago. So I got it. It's pretty accurate. Okay, so it's by the time that you're watching this, it should be like the most accurate value of my entire accounts, all the accounts. But keep in mind, I am very aggressive right now with my holdings. Okay, so it's not like abnormal if my accounts are up or down 5,000 plus in a day. Okay, it is what it is. I chose to take the risk, and I can deal with it, and I can deal with the volatility. So yeah, I mean that's what it is. I'm young right now, relatively young. So I am more capable, I guess, of taking these kind of risks compared to somebody that's like older. So don't yeah yeah whatever. So let's go into it. So the first one here is I have about $1,923.07 on Webull. Um, let's go to Earth2IO. So if you don't know already, Earth2IO is kind of like uh, back then when cryptocurrencies came out, which is like virtual currency. Now we're talking about virtual land. Okay, yeah, you can't really do anything with like virtual land, etc. But okay, it's the idea is that it's limited, and it says limited supply will increase the value, especially when there's nothing out there to be bought, and they can only be traded. Okay, so it's just kind of like studying the psychology of like us right now in in this world. But yeah, so $1,036.56, up 70%. This is probably like the hardest one to liquidate. And if I liquidate it right now, if I want to, I'm most likely not gonna get the entire net worth, which is what, $1,036.56. I'm probably guessing like around $800. But I'm still gonna include that. I'm still gonna say $1,036.56 because I'm not gonna be selling this probably like for another 5 years. This is something I put in a little bit of money in there, and then I want to take the risk and see where it goes. All right, next one, Acorns. This is where my like pocket change, they just go in there. I just invest a little bit here and there. $4,230.21. And to be honest, I've been thinking about taking this money out and either start a challenge for the channel, or I really want to buy Facebook calls. I'm really thinking about that, to be honest. Yeah. All right. So $4,230.21. Next one. This is Qcoin. I have a little bit of Qcoin, no, but not a little bit, quite a bit. The majority of the money right there, which is $4,271.90. I have Qcoin shares, which they pay me a kind of like daily dividend, which is amazing. And it just went from like $1.30 up to $2.60. It just, since like the last time I made a video, that was like, I doubled my money. At one point, I was almost at $5,000, which is insane. And plus, I have just like $160 trading automatically, which is the trading bot that I'm testing right now, which I'm up actually about like $13, which is not bad. Yep, so $4,271.90. Next one, this is the big one. This is my Robinhood. As you can see here, I'm up 1,088.11%. It's not too shabby. I'm not complaining. Okay, this is pretty good. So as you can see here, I have about $82,671.64 at the time of this recording. I'm up $75,713. And the best thing is, no, I didn't really trade much. I don't buy and sell like crazy. Okay, so yeah, only thing I did, to be honest, I did nothing. That's it. I did nothing, and that's very hard to do. Do nothing. People were telling me, yo, you're not gonna sell $4.74. You're not gonna sell $4.75. You're not gonna sell for that. Nope, not gonna sell. I'm just gonna do nothing. I'm gonna give them the chance to go ahead and start producing revenue. I always say that. I'm gonna keep saying. Look at Microvisions. Like, they just announced that something about their new research, something went well with it. They just jumped like 50% aftermarket. Imagine freaking Foresight comes out and says, oh, we're working with a company. Now we have contract for the next few Q cars or whatever, thousands of cars. Imagine how much is it gonna jump. Our float is even better. So I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying, it's crazy, bro. But I'm gonna just $82,671.64, and I'm not up 1,000% on Foresight. Okay, I think only 600% on my position, but the other 400% it came from like different positions that I had, and I kept for like a few months, and then I sold. So no day trading, crazy stuff like that. I don't really got time for that, to be honest. Because I suck at day trading. I'll be like, yeah. I be making sometimes, but if when I know something is like short term, I want to lock in things real quick, and then sometimes I don't really do well. But that's the thing. I just know myself, and I use that in my advantage. You know why? Because I mean, you got to know what type of investor are you. I feel like I'm a hybrid, to be honest. I don't really day trade like that, and my long terms, they are also kind of based on technology, especially when I get in. Okay, which is the reason why I got into a lot of few plays pretty early. Yeah. Now next one, my Roth IRA. We're looking at about almost 30K. So at $29,188.97. All right, that's pretty much it. But I'm gonna do the math right now and see how much it was. Because to be honest, I really don't know. I just know it's six figures, which is insane. Like I've never had this much money, I guess, and I still don't see it as like money I have because well, they're all invested and I don't need it right now. Um, I'm for sure gonna need it next year because I need to buy a four family unit. I need to do that. But yeah, let me do the math real quick so I can put it in the screen. All right, guys. So I just did the math. That's $123,322.35 as of today. So, and it could go down tomorrow, $10,000, $15,000. It is what it is. That's the type of portfolio I am into and I have. So it will fluctuate a lot, especially because well, I have a lot into foresight. It's not everything is not in foresight, but it is a good chunk of my portfolio. So it will make this. It will just like bring it up and down depending on how it does. Which again, I really don't care the short term action. I'm looking in like 3 to 4 or 5 years down the road and see how it goes. But as is still, I feel like I don't know, guys. What do you think? Is it a respectable number? Like I don't know, 3,000. I mean, I feel like I came a long way to be honest. Just I learned pretty much everything by myself, and everybody can do the same thing. YouTube has literally everything. You don't gotta go and pay to learn anything. You may ask me, "Hey, yo, have you ever paid for a course?" I've never really paid for a course. Actually, no, I've paid for a course. I never actually. That was like $20 or so. I never actually like went through and checked like to actually like say, oh, I learned a lot from a course. And I'm pretty sure there's like courses that have a lot of freaking knowledge in it, all packed. It's just that I'm a kind of laid back guy. I'll be honest. I'm lazy a lot of times, and whenever my brain works, whenever it wants to work, it's most likely at night, and I'm just taking everything in at the same time. So it's just the way I work. But yeah, everybody's different. I feel like that's a pretty respectable number. Especially like if I look where it came from, you know, $0. I had nothing. Like nothing really. And now I have a rental unit, this amount of money. That still is not liquid, I haven't sold anything, so I can't really, it doesn't serve me anything right now. But yeah, I mean, hopefully this serves you like a as motivation. I don't. Hopefully I don't come on like I'm bragging because I'm really not bragging. There's Jeremy from education. I finished education with millions of dollars. Me having millions of dollars. Graham Stephan with millions of dollars. Um, a dad with like almost a half a million. So I feel like I'm just like a drop in the bucket right now. But and just kind of show you like, yo, a year ago, I did not have this type of money. I did have like a few thousands, yeah. Yeah, my net worth was still like in the six figures because of the house, but still. That's one thing I do want to tell you guys. That one decision that I made, which was to buy this house, that changed everything. Stop paying rent. That thing for me, stop paying rent and getting that rental income allowed me to be more flexible to what I do with my money. Okay, so I don't think a lot if I want to take some risks. I do think, but it's not like, yo, if I lose that money, how am I gonna pay rent? Nah, it doesn't go to my mind like that. And another thing too is like I don't have kids, you know, not yet at least. I don't have any kids, so my responsibility is pretty low, and I don't have a lot of debt. I mean, bad debt, if you know what I'm saying. And you know, uh, I don't know. I'm trying to like be a motivator here, but I don't know if I can, if I know if I'm a motivator, but yeah, just so you know, guys, if you really want something, you have to go and get it. Don't listen other things. Don't listen to people. If I were to listen to people like close to me, let's say especially close to me, on like a lot of things that I've done, I would not be where I'm at today. Because people's opinions, just make sure if you're listening to people's opinions, listen to people that have done it, have something to show for it. So people that know all theory and stuff like that, just don't even listen to it. Because it's just a waste of time, to be honest. Unless you've done it and like you've proven that you're capable of doing stuff. Yeah, some people, it's just not worth. It's not like you're gonna ignore them, but don't take it too serious. You could listen to it, kind of reevaluate your situation and stuff like that, but don't fully listen to people, around you that have literally really nothing to show for it. Just make sure that you are being you and you're doing things that makes you happy, not somebody else. Okay, because you got to be happy first, and then you can affect other people. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's I'm not a motivation. I'm not a speaker. No, I'm not a motivation speaker. Um, but hopefully my hopefully my message gets transferred. Gets Hopefully I can relay my message correctly to you, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, so if you're new here, go ahead and please subscribe. I am trying to hit 4,000 subscribers, which is crazy, man. I have always wanted to get going on YouTube. It took me literally like 3 years just to like, yo, I'm gonna do it, you know. So that's pretty cool. But and then just leave me a like and comment. Let me know what you think about the amount. Okay, it's nothing crazy, obviously. I feel like there's a lot more to come, especially now. That I'm gonna be start investing even more. I can't wait to start acquiring real estate, because that's one of my goals is to have like 30 doors. That's one of my biggest goals. I'm very into like investing and stuff, and because I don't really have people in my family that really do that, and it pushes me to do even more. But guys, that's pretty much it. Okay, that's it. I've been saying pretty much it like now for the past damn 5 minutes. But yeah, all right. So I'll see you. Probably gonna make a quick video on foresight. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. Bye guys. See you next time. Bye.